Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Google Forms to Zapier so you can automate responses and streamline your data collection. First, log into your Zapier account and go to the My Apps section on the left sidebar. Click Connect a New Account, then search for Google Forms in the app list and select it. Zapier will prompt you to sign in to your Google account and request permission to access your forms. Grant access to continue. Once connected, you can use Google Forms as a trigger in your Zaps. For example, when someone submits a form response, Zapier can automatically send a thank you email or add the data to a spreadsheet. To test the connection, create a sample form submission and run your Zap to ensure it works smoothly. Connecting Google Forms to Zapier makes managing your form responses effortless by automating follow-ups and data handling. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.